Hi, and welcome to our channel, Living with Eve. This is kind of a last minute video because Naomi was sitting here helping me so much with making lunch for everybody that I had to show you some of the things that she can do. And, you know, regardless if you have a child with special needs or Down syndrome, or even if it's just a toddler. I was just thinking a toddler. Well, any child that's young. There's little things that you can do in the kitchen to kind of help them feel included. Teach them proper cooking skills in general. What's up? Yeah, okay. Well, what Naomi's doing right here is she's helping me cut peppers. She's not actually cutting them. She has a little plastic knife that looks like this, and I'm cutting them and putting them in a pile, and she's pretending to cut them and throw them in the salad that I'm making. I'm making tacos is what I'm doing with taco salad. Are you coming back, Naomi?
Yeah!
Okay, come back and finish because I need help. I'm also constantly asking her to help, giving her like, you know, good job, Naomi. I need your help. Yeah, I do need your help. She's taking her shoes off right now. Of course, I'm not putting her near the hot stuff. I have rice on the stove, I have meat on the stove, and I kind of put that together. I'm just really having her focus on the salad stuff. You coming back? You want to show them how you can cut? Yeah, you're not wearing shoes. Should I take my shoes off too?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll go take my shoes off. Show them how you cut.
I just got that.
Having her do this helps her stay away from the hot stuff. What else do you want to cut? Do you want to do cucumbers? Yep, this is Mommy's job. Let's get some green cucumbers. Can you put the peppers in the bowl?
No.
Put the peppers in the bowl. Can you do that? Because now we're going to cut a cucumber. Good job. All right, what color is it?
Green.
Good job, green. Okay, let's cut it. You gonna cut them?
No.
You gonna eat it? Taste it. I'm all down. Oh man, if she wants to eat anything, I'm all for it. Just work on this.
Bye.
Why? Because I need your help. I need your help to put it in the salad. I'm gonna go check on the meat.
Meat.
Yep, I have meat.
Oh. Bubble.
Now the other kids are not here, which is actually really nice. We don't get this alone time too much, but the other kids are with Daddy. Did you try eating it?
Whoa.
Did you taste it? I'm gonna taste it. You want some?
Yeah.
No? Okay, well. Good job, girl. I mean, this is helping her with her push, the sensation with pushing, all coming down to sensory processing. And she's aware of how hard or how little she needs to be pushing. Are you done? We switched positions because she had no interest in cutting anymore. However, I do want her to stay close because I do want her to be part of the cooking. I want her to be able to cook for herself. So instead, she's gonna do her dots. She wants to do her dots. And I'm gonna cut up tomatoes. And it does give her a little break because later on, I'm probably gonna have her help me set up the table, right? So when the boys come home with Hannah, everybody will have lunch. You'll be a big help?
Yeah.
I also believe that part of having her eat healthy and good nutrition is being around it and getting involved with making it, construction of it. Well, we can't really construct fruits and vegetables, but we can make salads. And having her around it and letting her go ahead and pick at it if she wants it. Do you want some? You want a carrot? You want an avocado? No. I think that's good. And that's how we get her to eat healthy, because she does. She actually eats really healthy. All right, you gonna help me set some more stuff on the table?
Yeah.
Okay, you go, girl. Now the entire cabinet actually belongs to the kids, the younger ones at least. I think this is a really good idea that I learned from someone. It teaches them responsibility and ownership. Is that yours? Yeah. We gotta get everybody else's food too. Yeah. Okay, go put it on the table. Yeah. Okay, but you can't just eat chips. I just got done talking about how healthy you eat, and now you're just gonna wanna eat chips? We're gonna wait though. We're gonna wait though for everybody to come home, okay? Okay. We're gonna wait for Daddy. You wanna eat with Daddy? And brothers? And Hannah? Okay, you need to help me put their plates on the table. Yes. Can you put this on the table? Yes.
Daddy?
Yep, for Daddy.
Oh.
Yeah, for Daddy.
Daddy.
It's for Daddy. Well, this one's for Daddy. Now, believe it or not, Naomi actually likes to help put the dishes on the table. I know she said no before, but she actually likes to help because she feels like she's making me happy. She's pleasing me. She does a good job with it too. Of all the things that I showed you, when it comes to setting the table, I don't actually have to think about it. She just does it. It's like legit help. Now, a lot of the things that I do with her, cutting up the vegetables, putting them in the bowl, it's not really helping me, but it's teaching her to help. She feels like she's helping. And though sometimes it may take more time, because it actually sometimes does take more time, it's worth it in the end because, you know, the bonding, connecting, mother-daughter connection, teaching her how to help, think about others, all that stuff is nice and positive and well worth it. We have a brother that only eats carrots and peas with his tacos, so we're gonna make him a special plate. Look how much I care about my children. This is how I get him to eat his vegetables. And I also make him smoothies with spirulina. Same with Naomi. Okay, this girl cracks me up. She just saw me digging my hands in the salad to get myself some salad, and she just pulled out these. Show everybody what you got.
Mommy.
Yeah, what did you get? You got those tongs. You wanna put it on the table? All right, let's put it on the table.
Yay!
Hey, girl. You're gonna put some in your salad? You gotta eat this though.
That's it.
All right, you gonna put it on Daddy's plate? All right, lunch is done. However, they're still not here. This is the first time. First time for everything, right? That my food is done for them before they're home. Usually it's the opposite. You're ready. Do you just want to eat now?
No, and that.
Yeah.
No. That.
We got the sour cream.
Yeah.
Yeah, you want some? And juice? Well, it's mostly water. And your food. Where's your fork?
No.
It's back there? Okay. All right, you ready to eat?
Mommy, look.
Yep, I got my fork. They're home. I have actually, Naomi made it. Oh, nope, we're going straight for Daddy.
Wait, where's the food?
She made it. Well, I made it, but she helped. The one thing I've noticed that when they actually help you make the meal, they are more willing to eat the things that they normally do not eat. So yay Naomi for taking those bites of peas and avocado and peppers and all that fun stuff. So we are done with lunch. Sometimes Naomi, actually a lot of the time, she does help me put away dishes and clean up, maybe bring the vacuum over to vacuum up whatever mess she made or other people make, because we all make messes, right? But today I felt like giving her a little bit of a break and having her siblings clean instead, since they were gone and didn't help make the food. It's their job to do the cleaning. So thank you guys for watching. This was so last minute. I didn't even plan this out. I didn't even put my makeup on. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.